Setting the XPro transmitter is actually pretty straightforward. Let's start by turning the transmitter on using the switch on the right side. If we turn it on, we should see a list of groups, the current channel number, the battery charge level, and the labels for the soft buttons on the bottom of the screen. The first step is to set the channel on the XPro. And it's pretty simple. We only need to press and hold the zoom channel button until we see the channel number being highlighted. Now we need to rotate the wheel until we get to the number that we're going to use. In my case, channel 9. We have 32 channels to select from. And we need to press the set button to confirm our selection. Now let's set the ID. ID is a custom function, and so we're going to press the menu button to get to the custom functions. We're going to rotate the wheel until we find the ID function, which is currently turned off. We're going to press the set button so we can now select the ID value or turn it back. Keep it off or set a value on it. I'm going to select set a value of 18. There we go. And we press the set button to confirm our selection. We press the return soft button to return to our main screen. The transmitter is now ready to send orders to the flash groups. Now we need to decide the orders we want to send and to which group. So let's start by selecting groups. And you can do this by pressing the corresponding soft button for each group. Or if you already have one group selected, you can press the group up or down soft button. I'm going to work with group B. When you have a group selected, you can change its mode by pressing the mode button. It will cycle from being off to now being on TTL mode or in manual mode, off again, TTL. If a group is in TTL mode, we can change, and it's currently selected, we can change the flash exposure compensation from -3 stops all the way to +3 stops. And we can do it in 1/3 stop increments. And pressing set to confirm our selection. If the group is selected and we change it to manual mode, if the group is in manual mode, we can adjust the actual or the specific power setting for that group, going from 1/128, which is usually the minimum power, all the way to 1/1, which is full power. In my case, I'm going to leave group B firing at 1/16 power. Press the set button to confirm our selection. And I'm going to turn group A. I'm going to set it to off. It won't work at this moment. Using the XPro, we can adjust the flash zoom remotely. We can adjust the zoom setting for remote groups. And it's actually pretty simple. We only need to press the zoom soft button. So we now have each group and the corresponding zoom value for each and every one of them. So I'm going to select group B, which is the one I'm working with at the moment. It currently has a zoom value of 24 millimeters. I'm going to change it to 35 millimeters. I can press the set button to confirm my selection, and I can press the zoom button again to return to my main screen. The transmitter is now ready to send orders. It will send orders on channel 9 using ID 18. The orders are going right now only to group B. These orders are to fire on manual mode at 1/16th power and at a zoom setting of 35 millimeters. And we can now test it. If you press the tester button, which is this one on the bottom left with the lightning bolt symbol, you should see the remote flash firing.